make me lose it. Oh, come closer to the music. Need all of your company, and I just wanna feel it. Can you feel it? Like a melody in the air. And I don't wanna need it, but I need it. Come get high on it if you dare. These nights, you learn to love again. These times, they go and come again. These nights, make it easy to pretend like this night's will never end. It's alright, alright. These nights, you learn to love again. These times, they go and come again. These nights, make it easy to pretend like this night's will never end. It's alright, alright. These nights, start a fire. It's a movement. Lift me higher, get me lucid. Oh, deep desire, yeah, you gotta use it. Need all of your company, and I just wanna feel it. Can you feel it? Like a melody in the air. And I don't wanna need it, but I need it. Come get high on it if you dare. These nights, you learn to love again. These times, they go and come again. These nights, make it easy to pretend like this night's will never end. It's alright, alright. These nights, you learn to love again. These times, they go and come again. These nights, make it easy to pretend like this night's will never end. It's alright, alright. These nights.
Can I be honest? I still want your hands up on my body. You still make my heart beat fast. Ferrari with me in the wave, but in the morning. Do you still want me? Can I be honest? I still want your hands up on my body. You still make my heart beat fast. Ferrari with me in the wave, but in the morning. Do you still want me? Can I be honest? Do you still want me?
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Let me know in the chat you can hear me all right. Give me some twos. How about twos today? Excellent. What's going on, y'all? Good morning. Happy, what's today? Wednesday? Happy Wednesday. What's up, George? Jimmy P. Jazzy J. Christine. Amy. What up, Blue? Good morning. People in the waiting room here. All right, we have we still got time. We got 3 minutes. Hold another 3-minute candle. Good morning for those of you guys watching on YouTube. What's up, Lars? Happy Wednesday. Sound should be good on YouTube as well. Excellent. All right, we're in alignment for sales. We just looks like we just closed below 350 and retested it here right before the market. So we got 6 minutes before we can get into an entry, but we are in alignment, so that's good. News wise, we had some 8:15 news. 8:15, 8:15, 8:15. Wicked up into this imbalance and put in a lower low. Then we pull back, put another lower low. Structurally looks good too. Daily low, daily target, not far away. 262, 261 and a quarter. That's about 60 or 70 points away from where the market currently is. Next one up past that would be 18,976. I'm gonna put one more here in the middle of this wick, which would be 19,150. What's up, Cindy? What's up, Carl? All right, good to go there. We took out the high from yesterday already, tapped into this imbalance from Friday. And currently the daily candle is a bearish engulfing, but we got 8 hours left. What's up, Bob? All right, so we'll see. Let me just check the 1 minute real quick. Volume is coming back on the one to the downside. Had a pullback. Now it's getting back up there. It would need to climb 70 points to flip it. So we get a smooth open here. Keep us below 350 and or around it. And get an entry around 350. We got a minute before we open. What's up, Paul? All right. Minute for the open. All right, market is open now. Moving back up towards 350. I'm gonna watch it from the 1 minute. We're putting in a little trend line down here. First minute is rejecting off of 350 again. $350 to $325 at the moment. Gotta get back. Putting in a double bottom here on the 1 minute. Had a bearish engulfing candle here at 929.
Next candle was bullish though, so it looks like that could get violated. 3 minute can shape to be a bullish engulfing. We got a minute and 10 seconds left here. We are playing around 350 area, so I'm open for 350 if we stay below it. We take a shot there. Obviously, if we don't stay below it, then it'll be the 400 area, which is kind of dicey, and we're getting back up towards where we could see the 1 minute flip. So we'll see how we respond. Maybe 375 holds it down. Yeah, just put in equal lows down here at the bottom. We got 24 seconds left. We're at 59, 57, 55, 54, 53, 50, 49. We close below 50. I'm going to take a shot at 50. We're below it with 10. We're back at 339. This is a bullish engulfing candle. 3, 2, 1. All right, 350 comes up there. I'm going to grab it. And I am in. I market execution that. So I got in right at 350. This is a bullish engulfing candle though. So if you haven't entered yet, this is a good spot. Might get taken out here. I'm in, still in. Oof. Still in by a freaking hair. All right, and now I'm out. Now I'm out on that. I'm out on that now. Let's see what she does. I want to wait off the 400 area at the moment, just because we're getting buyers stepping in here, bullish engulfing on the 3 minute on the open. So I'm not in at 400 at the moment. It's probably gonna work out because it didn't just execute it. Let's just see though. Let's just see. Watching it on the 1 minute. I just want to watch the first minute of it. Yeah, we're getting a bullish engulfing on the 5 minute too. If we close below, we're going to be in a stalemate. And all right, no dice. No dice from the 400 for me. No dice from the 400. This thing's pushing up pretty hard. All right, so took a L on the first opportunity down here at 350. And right now we're cruising to the upside. We still got a lot of volume on our 3 minute and 5 minute, so not much other news today. We do have a yellow folder at 10 and then root oil at 10:30. We did have a strong bullish response out of this area yesterday. Oh, no, I'm sorry, that's not yesterday. Oh, yes, it was yesterday. We shall see. We're at 450 now. We're in a stalemate, so not looking for sales at the moment. 1 minute has its buyers. Potentially flipping here in 24 seconds to fully blue. 3 minute might go into a stalemate. 2 minutes left in this candle. One minute is in alignment for buys now. Oh, you sent that 2 minutes ago. 1 minute's in alignment for buys now. 3 minute pushing stalemate. All right, well, looks like we had a slow down and a fast up here. Into Monday's price action. First bullish target is 20,000. Back at 20,011. Let me double check that. That seems pretty far. Nope, that's right. We already took out yesterday's high. Oops. The current high. Oops. $693. We got 30 seconds and we're going to be in a stalemate on the 5 minute as well. Three-minute stalemate. Still got 22 volume. 5 minutes still got 50 on the volume. And 5 minute is okay. Everything's blue from the trend perspective. Got a lot of imbalances. We're gonna be a minute. Unless this keeps just pushing up, the volume's gonna get eaten up slowly here. Almost to the bottom of the hour. We're up 250 points from the bottom here. It's a big push. 200 points. Yeah. They have they're just coming out with a new dashboard and some new let me see if I can find it. Somebody posted about it a while ago. Let me see if I can just pull up the message. They're here, I think it was a picture somebody dropped. Yep, found it. You guys can't see that. Opening. I just resent the photo in the Telegram group. But what they're doing is they upgraded their dashboard. So you know how on the back of Top Step, they have all of your stats and stuff like that. But what they're doing is traders can they can bank a reset every time their trading combine rebuilds. So let's say it takes you more than a month to pass your challenge, but you didn't reset. Let's say you're at, $1,200 in profit. So there's no point in you actually resetting on your rebuild, but they're going to put a reset in your bank. So that way you don't have to pay for it if you happen to end up losing your challenge. So they have that reset bank. They're updating their trading so that there is real-time trade processing. So instead of having to wait till the market's closed to see your profits being in your database and all that type of stuff, because they do that they close everybody out at 4:10 Central, 5:10 Eastern, and then that's when they're starting to work on their trade processing. So you don't have to worry about that anymore. They're doing real-time processing now, and which also means that when you pass your challenge, you don't have to wait till the end of the day. You can upgrade to your funded account, your XFA, right away. Instant payout deductions is another one they are doing. As of right now, when you do a payout, it takes a couple hours to days. Well, not really days. If you did it on Friday, maybe yes, but take a couple hours for them to actually pull the money from your account. And at that time, once you hit that payout button, you're not supposed to be trading anymore until they pulled it. So that's gonna be instant. As soon as you hit a payout, they're going to instantly pull the money from your account balance. So if you have $3,000 in your account and you do a payout of 1,000, you're going to see that 1,000 being removed right away. Now, as of right now, that 1,000 isn't being removed right away. It's taken a few hours to days, depending on when you have submitted for your payout. And and then resets. Normally if you were to do a reset, it would not reset your billing, but now it's going to give you an extra 30 days instead of so it's going to reset not only your account, but it'll reset your billing as well. That's pretty much it. I just I put the picture in the group as well. So with the 25% off thing, if you go to Top Step right now, for most people, unless you're in Canada, I guess, you're going to see this experience the evolution of Top Step here at the top. And if you click sign up now, you can sign in or actually join the wait list. Is right here. So you just hit join the wait list, and then you just put your name and stuff in there, an email, and then you're going to get an email, and in that email it will tell you how to go about getting 25% off any combines that you want, which is, I mean, it takes it from $49 to $36, so it's only $12 off, but for a 50K, but still, I mean, they don't really do discounts, so it's no, grateful. And it doesn't matter if you're an existing customer or a new customer, you can still take advantage of it. Now, the weird thing is, yeah, something better than nothing. The weird thing is, though, if you do it, on that new dashboard, you're not gonna see your current accounts. So it's almost like you're gonna have two dashboards at the moment. You're gonna have your old dashboard, and then you're gonna have your new dashboard, and your new dashboard will have all of the new accounts that you may purchase with the 25% off. Your old dashboard is just gonna have your old accounts that you currently have. Now, I think once they go live, they'll merge it all together, but that kind of threw me off a little bit yesterday, when I was just looking at it. Yeah, it takes a while. I mean, I got on the wait list like a week or two ago, so it's not instant. It's not something instant. It surprised me when I saw it yesterday, and then that's what reminded me to tell you guys about it. So I got an email yesterday that invited me to it, gave me a 25% off code. But yeah, I think I signed up for it. Maybe it was early last week. I don't really remember. It wasn't. It definitely wasn't within a minute. It wasn't instant. All right, 3 minute is potentially flipping here. 5 minute is still got some work to do from a volume perspective. Big push up. I'm expecting a pullback at some point. We haven't really even tried to. I guess we tried to a little bit on the one. I'm expecting that we start to pull back here, and the 5 flips inside of the pullback, and we can get in a better entry, or a pullback type of an entry here. We have news at the top of the hour, and then it's just a yellow folder, but then we have more news at 10:30. Rude oil. And yeah, we'll see if we can get another opportunity here. We really even haven't had maybe right here we did. We had well, that wasn't even in alignment on a 3 minute, so not even really any early entries here either for those that look for them. Looks like the 3 minute is going to officially flip here in 17 seconds. We are in the bottom of the hour now. All right, 5 minutes, not far at all. Maybe 15 minutes. It seems like we're trying to do a pullback here. Bottom of the hour here. Yellow folder news at 10. It's 200-point 15-minute open. All right, now we're starting to do a pullback here.
Something's got a hold on me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind. How many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me. Trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me. Problematic. Problem is I want your body like a fiend, like a bad habit. Bad habits hard to break when I'm with you. Yeah, I know I could do it on my own, but I want that real full moon, black magic, and it tastes good. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict, and I need some relief. My skin ain't your teeth, can't see the forest through the trees. Got me
Bullish engulfing candle on the 3.
darling, please.
Waiting on the 5 minute here. Market is slowing down from the initial push. About to be 10 o'clock here in a minute and 20 seconds. Come on, pull back some more here. I would like for his thing to pull back at least to around like 450 area. These two targets I threw in here. Well, this one was yesterday. We don't really need to pay too much attention to this one. This one right here is the current high of the day, around 700. And then above that is the actual new high that hasn't been hit yet, which is way up there at 20,000. About to be 10 o'clock here. Right there on that volume, maybe another 5 minutes, depending on how bullish this candle can be. Just tapped into an imbalance on the 5 and 3. Not the 3, the 1. Pushing back above 550. Five is stubborn. I was gonna say 550 is tempting. 5 minutes is so close, but I'm not doing 600. See if we can get this to pull back. The next 5 minutes should open up with it being above the 0 line. Just completely filled the opening range gap. This 5 minute candle still got 2 minutes to go. About to close above 600. Five minute is definitely being stubborn. Bullish engulfing candle on the 3. 5 minutes about to close in 20 seconds. More than likely, this next 5 minutes is going to open with this being blue. Haven't retested 600 yet. Yeah, so we just popped up here. We're blue now. This is an active candle, so I'm not gonna take 600. However, if this pulls back to 550, I might pull the trigger, regardless of this candle being active or not. I don't want to do it, but I can build a case for why to do it. I like this price action just playing around this level, and then we had this push away from it so strongly. There's 600 though, not taking that one. We're in an active candle in the 5. More than likely it's gonna close bullish, but I'd rather if you're gonna squeeze in here early, 550 would be the number for me personally. I don't have a trade set up yet. I'm just talking out loud. And if we end up closing above 600, then 600 would be the number. We are from here 93 points away from today's high, so we got room to run. If we're gonna go higher high today on structure, we got to get up there to the 693 area. So got 100 points from 600, 150 points from 550. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go in this 5-minute candle to put us in alignment for the for sure. And we're below 600 at the moment, so 550 could definitely be the play. I don't like the bullish engulfing candle and then not the continuation, but there is a ton of imbalance that it just left here on that push up. So what you seeing, Blue? Steph on the call? Steph not here. Two minutes to go. Again, I don't have anything placed. We're at 573, pulling back. 2 minutes to go. At this point, I'm just gonna wait for it to be solidified. It's moving in our direction though, so that's good. Again, not taking 550 yet. I'm waiting to 144, but it is moving back towards that area. Blue grab the 500 pullback. 500 pullback. Not a bad one. A little early. We're at 550 right now. We have a minute and 20 left in this 5-minute candle. We are pushing below 550, excuse me. A minute left in this candle. Approaching 525. Even with this drop, it looks like the 5-minute is still going to hold its blue. So we might be looking at 500. Or 450 even looks better. Let's see. 20 seconds to go. Because we just completely violated this bullish engulfing candle, and we're putting in a bearish engulfing on the 5-minute. 7 seconds. We're about to be solidified for buys. Unless this next candle opens red, then I might be okay. All right, we're good there. All right, 500 is up next. 500 is up next. 450 I like a lot, but 500 will be up next. Right now we're rejecting off of 525. If we close back above 500, we were playing in this area just a few minutes ago. So it seems like we had a support at 525 and a resistance around 560. And then we broke out of it. But then we just kind of bananaed right back into it. Oops. Did not mean to draw that. That's weird. So yeah. Here comes 500. Here comes 500. Here comes 500. I am about to get in here at 500. I'm in now. I got in at where did I get in at? 499? No, 500 on the dot. I'm in at 500. I'm in at 500. It might come into 450. Hopefully not. This is the bottom here on the 1 minute. This is an area of demand. So I need you to hold. They've tapped it to it nicely. 50% level. Good reaction so far off the 1 minute. We're about 17 points in profit. Get through that J4 there, almost to BE, get up there. 524, 525. All right, gonna go ahead and go break even on this second opportunity. We're at 540, and I'm gonna just take my profits at 550. Get 25 points on the day. I'm not gonna look to hold this. I'm gonna take my profits at 550. It's a lot of trash in this area. This looks like a head and shoulders play. If I was a pattern trader, this is head and shoulders vibes. Almost to TP here. I'm locking in 10. No, nothing funky happens. All right, there's 50 points. I'm done. 25 on the day. I was down 50 yesterday, so I'm down 25 for the week still. But I'm just gonna let it be from there. It could run, but I'm cool with that. I think that what I'm seeing here overall is a structure that I'm not a fan of. We'll just put it at that. At its current spot, I'm not a fan of it. I think it's gonna come back down. We played around this area, and I'm looking at this on the 1 minute. You can see it pretty cleanly on the one. We played around this area quite a bit. As I said, we put support and resistance in a tight 25 point spot between 525 and 550. If you stretch it to 560 area, we pushed out of it, came back down, rejected, then we pushed out. If we go to the 3, that was a bullish engulfing candle. It did not continue. That's fishy. It actually swept this high. It swept that high and pushed down. If I jump to the 5, it was basically a bearish engulfing candle coming back down. And if this level does hold and go, then great. But I think if anything, it's going to push down one more time and get to 450 and then maybe hold. It was a pretty big first 15-minute opening too. So took the 50 points, call it a positive day, and climbing out of a little bit of a hole from yesterday. So I ain't mad at it. I think we navigated that pretty well. 30 points in the chat. Let me know what you guys are up. Maybe you didn't take the first trade and you're up 50. Let me know in the chat what you guys are up. I'm done for the day though. I'm not gonna look to take any more today. It's first week of the month, and we already know that we're gonna get some funkiness. I mean, it's been smooth. I mean, yesterday we were just on the wrong side of it, but it ended up being pretty smooth. It's pretty smooth after our 0-2. Today we had to navigate. Tomorrow we got PMI 10 o'clock, so we got 10 o'clock news tomorrow, and then we got NFP on Friday. Haven't had a consolidated day yet. Haven't had a consolidated day yet all year. So who knows if we're gonna get one. Plus 25, 35, 25, take 50 and walk to the bank. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm plus 25 as well. Plus 25 as well. Jazzy J plus 25. Nice. Yep. All right, family. If there's no questions, we'll sign off. Make sure you guys take advantage. If you're on Top Step, take advantage of the 25% off. I mean, it saves you $12 per account if you don't already have 5. So I know some of you guys are looking at Top Step. So it may take you a week or two to actually get the coupon code. Or maybe get 1 or 2 accounts now and then wait for that coupon code and save yourself $12. Mine is 25. Missed the first trade, missed the second trade. You're welcome, George. Of course. See you tomorrow. Got a minute to go here. Money close back above 550 is, for me, I mean, it could easily make the break even. This area right here, this is where your other shoulder will be put in if this is going to be a head and shoulders type of a play. So I'm not going to take anything else, but if you want another play, 550 looks like it might be next. Mine is 50. Yeah, but you don't even have to get out of here. If you get 50 here, you don't even have to get out of that flat top to hit TP. You know, at this point, like, you have room for this to use 550 as a support and a minimum get back to break even, and then tap 600. You know, so I'm not too worried about the flat tops because you're only looking for 50 points. If you were looking for 75, then you need a higher high, and that changes it a little bit. That changes the difference there. How do I determine what price the trend will flip on any given time frame? I'm just looking at the I have mine kind of transparent, but I'm just looking at the trend. That's all. If I make these more blue, you can see it better, but I can see it without. So anytime I'm looking at, like, if I'm giving a price, I'm saying, like, all right, we got to get, you know, we're gonna flip 3 minute here, we got to get above 460. I'm just looking at where this line is at, if that's what you mean. There's a 550 right there. Let me know if you took it. You need this that has been acting as support resistance here. You need that to be you need it to be support now. It's literally been playing around here. It was support, 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 I mean, it's actually been mostly support. Only time there was resistance was right here. It's 13, 16 points in profit right now. It should at minimum get to break even. It's a good wick on the 1 minute. Need a bullish engulfing candle, and then it will be break even for you. I did not take this, no. Give the fam 13 points. Come on, get up to the break even. I'm expecting it to at minimum get to break even. Got wicks on this side of the shoulder. There it is. All right, at least your risk is off the table. So risk is off the table there. And hey, if you want to take the 25 points there, then guess what? You'll be up 50 today. You'll be up 50 today. Bullish engulfing candle here on the 1. Want to see that continue push through. It did not close above 75. Closed just below it. So it is using it as resistance as it did on the left shoulder. You need that to get a push through, close above. You don't want it to do that. You want it to close above the shoulder that it made on the left side, which would be 575. Hey, Carl, did that answer your question? Is that what you were asking me? Got 10 seconds to go. I said, did that answer your question, what you were asking me about determining what price the trend will flip on any given time frame? It did not answer your question. Okay. Then I don't understand the question. So if you want to send me a voice note on Telegram, then we can dig into it some more. It's not looking. Yeah, it's coming back. Oh. Close above this wick right here. You still got a chance. 556 area. Stay above there. Did close above it. Violated that bullish engulfing though. What time is it? Has to go. And back up there towards the BE. There you go. Pushing through. It needs to close above it. Close above it, and you should be good to go. Next up, next issue is going to be this double imbalance. I would be locking in 10 points at at minimum here. You're almost to 50 though. $10 seconds to go. Looks like it's going to close above 75 with a bullish engulfing candle. And looks like it's going to close above these imbalances that are pretty equal to each other. Yeah, 94, 96, and 600. Boom. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, TP that bad boy. Get up out of here. He should be up 75 points today. That was a good one. That was the best case scenario. That's exactly what it needed it to do. It's kind of violating this head and shoulders play too now. All right, let me know your points in the chat again. If you took that, what did that add for you? Plus 75, 25. Nice stuff, Blue. 25. Yeah. Yep, right to that spot. This is what I was saying. I wasn't concerned about the double tops. More so the top. This is the, because you broke structure back down, Blue. You see that? Like, this was your high. This is your order of supply right here. It's your last or this doji right here. So that's your last up move before the down. So, which led right to your double tops that you're talking about, your flat tops. But then more importantly, this leg of price is what pushed things down and breaking the structure. Yeah, it tapped into this order of demand nicely for us. And that's what we played for this first 50 points. And then it played again for 50 here. But if you were trying to stretch for the highs for 75, you would have been out at 25 points there. So now the question is, what does it do with this trend that it's put in? Does it break it and then try to go lower low? Then maybe get down here to 450, which I know we won't be in alignment for anymore. Actually, we would be in alignment for that, technically. But yeah, bearish engulfing candle. This is a 1 minute chart, but bearish engulfing candle now, right off those tops, right off this order of, it didn't really tap into it. Maybe on a 3 minute. Actually, I would use this. This is what I would use. Yeah. Literally right back down to the shoulder. So another V up, and then closing right back below the shoulder again. So that's our second time that we popped up from here, but respected really this area of resistance that it's building in at I'm doing it again, sorry. That is building in at 575. So that's the low. Does it need more steam to then go higher, or is it gonna roll over out of this imbalance and fall over? To be determined, not by me. I'm out. I'm done. Take the 25 for myself. Some of you guys got 50, some 75. I will see you guys tomorrow. We're back for Thursday. You have a great day as well, Jazzy J. Those watching on YouTube, leave a like on your way out, comment on the way out. Appreciate you for watching. We'll be back tomorrow for our Thursday session. Tons of news in the morning. Unemployment claims. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. So we'll have a lot of volume in the market tomorrow. I will see you guys then. If you need anything from me, as always, find me on Telegram. Peace out for now, family. Have a great Wednesday.